Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Raya J. Wait, I gotta take off the foil. And I'm back with another video. In today's video, my babies, I'm going to be showing you all how to make quick and easy, healthy ice pops for the children. Now, all you need is an ice tray. I bought this morning. All you need is popsicle sticks, and what you do is you fill. We use pomegranate aloe vera juice, and we use orange juice. So one side of the tray is orange juice, and one side is the aloe vera pomegranate juice. So once you put it in the tray, put foil or saran wrap over top of the ice tray, and then poke your popsicle sticks through. And you want to put it in the freezer for about 2 hours or so, okay? So right now,
hi everybody,
we're gonna check it out.
Yay! Let's just take it off. Take it off.
Okay.
Mommy, watch out.
Excuse me, you don't need to be all up in there. Okay, so let's see if our masterpiece is frozen. Oh, can you lift gently for the people? Lift it gently.
Gently.
2 hands and lift the foil. Lift. Is it like stuck on there? Or is it good? Lift it up. Let me do this side. Wait, nicely. Get your side. Come on, together. Nicely. Okay, this is like tearing apart. It's not fully frozen yet. Ooh. It's not. I can look at it. It's like frozen. Let me see. I'm going to try to crack one open for her. Look, this is how it looks. So, hold on. Let me bring y'all into the light.
Look at
that. See, one side is the aloe vera. One side is orange juice. I hope y'all did not see Wookie. Wookie doesn't have any things on. Is that foil on the side? Get that. See that foil?
Foil. I can't get it out.
Okay, let me try to crack one open so you can show the people how to make fresh ices for the kids.
Mom, I want to do the orange juice.
It's ready! Show the people. Eat the ice pop. And that's how you make fresh, healthy ice pops for your kids. So the ingredients that you need is, step 1, get an ice tray. Step 2, figure out what juice do you want to put in your ice tray. Step 3,